Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Signing with Omar. Today we're going to go over numbers 1 through 30. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, let's start with number 1. Simply extend the index finger up towards the sky. 2, 3. Now make sure when you're doing 3 that the thumb is well seen by the viewer. Some people will make a mistake and have it angled and you can't see the thumb well, so you might mistake it for a 2. So make sure when you're forming 3 that the thumb is well seen. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now notice for 6 that the palm now is facing you, and I made a slight tap between the small pinky and the thumb. So that's 6. 7, the ring finger and the thumb come together with a slight tap. 7, 8, the middle finger and the thumbs makes a slight tap together. 8, 9, slight tap between the index finger and the thumb. So let's do those one more time. 6, 7, 8, 9, and for 10, you make a fist and shake it towards the viewer. That's 10. Okay, for numbers 11 through 20. 11, and this is 11 from the side. Notice I took the thumb and I flicked like that with the index finger. 12, 13. For 13, I brought together the middle finger and the index finger, and I made sure that you could see the thumb outwards. And I brought the index finger and the thumb down twice. 13, 14, 15. For 16 through 19, you'll make a fist and then you will turn towards the viewer. So for 16, start with the fist and I turn and form 6. 17, make a fist, turn, form a 7. 18, start with a fist, turn and form an 8. 19, turn and form a 9. I'll do that a little bit quicker now. 16, 17, 18, 19, and for 20, you just simply bring the index finger and the thumb together. 20, 20. Okay, for numbers 20 through 30, let's get started. 20, 21. Notice there is a right angle between the index finger and the thumb, and I have it angled towards the side, and I bent at the joint of the thumb twice. 21. 22. For 22, I formed a 2, angled the palm of the hand facing the floor, and went from left to right. 22. 23. Simply bring the middle finger down twice. 23. 24, 25. The fingers are extended and the middle finger goes down twice. 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, I'm going to do all those numbers 1 through 30 a lot quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Were you able to keep up? If you're interested in learning more of the numbers from 30 to 100, I made a video from 1 to 100. Go check that out. Thank you for watching this video on my YouTube channel, Signing with Omar. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video and learn more about American Sign Language.